In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find winning digital products that you can sell on Shopify. Our focus today will be on using Etsy as a resource to uncover popular, high-performing products that could enhance your store's offerings. This approach is perfect for anyone wanting to tap into the digital product market, and it can be a great way to gauge market trends and consumer preferences. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open your browser and go to Etsy.com. Etsy is a fantastic platform that connects creators and small businesses with buyers who appreciate handmade and unique items. It's also a goldmine when it comes to finding trending digital products. Once you're on the Etsy homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to input keywords related to digital products. Consider trying terms like Canva templates, social media templates, or printable wall art. In this tutorial, however, we'll focus on searching for digital planner. After typing digital planner and hitting enter, you'll be presented with a variety of results. At this stage, we're trying to pinpoint which items are performing exceptionally well. To do that, look for the Star Seller button at the top. This feature allows you to quickly identify top-selling items that have gained customer trust and recognition. Clicking this button will filter the results to show only those from sellers who consistently receive 5-star reviews, ship on time, and provide excellent customer service. Take a few moments to browse through the filtered results. Pay close attention to the design, pricing, how the items are presented, and the feedback or reviews provided by previous buyers. This information can be invaluable in shaping your own product offerings. As you sift through these best sellers, you should consider if any of these products or elements could be adapted for your own Shopify store. Ask yourself if a particular style or theme fits with your brand, or if there's a niche you could potentially fill better. Remember, it's not just about copying, but finding inspiration that aligns with your unique business vision. And that's essentially it. You've now identified potential digital products that have a proven track record on Etsy. You're not limited to just one search or one type of product either. Feel free to explore different keywords and categories. This strategy can serve as a continuous source of product ideas and innovation for your Shopify store. By regularly scouting platforms like Etsy, you're positioning yourself ahead of the curve, ready to cater to the needs and desires of your audience with products already proven to sell. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you on your journey in the digital marketplace. Stay creative and keep exploring.